Hey everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. Today I'm going to show you how to install arch metal handles. You may have seen this style of handle on designer bags, but never knew that you could add them to your own handmade bags. I think you'll be impressed by how easy they are to install. So let's get started. First, you'll need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a marking pen, a ruler, a rotary puncher awl, and a set of metal handles which can be purchased from my website. Keep in mind that there are two parts, the handle and the two connectors per handle. You'll want to remove the screws and the washer from the back side of each connector. I'm going to use this small scrap to show you how to add a handle so it's easy for you to see what's going on. After you have your supplies together, you'll need to mark the placement for the handle. Normally, your pattern will explain where your handle should be attached, but if not, I've put together some basic steps. Begin by marking the center of your project where you want the handle installed. Then mark how far down you want your handle from the top edge of your bag. I'd recommend about 1.5 inches from the top. Now, you want to make sure your handle is centered, so I've already measured the distance between the center of each hole on the handle, which is about 4¼ inches. So if I measure 2 1/8 inches away from each side of the center line, my handle will be exactly in the middle. Next, take the washers and use them as a template to mark the screw holes. Then use a rotary punch or awl to punch out the screw holes through the fabric and foam. Now your project is prepped and we can add on the handle. Place one connector over one hole in the handle, then position the connector over the screw holes. Flip your project over to the wrong side and position the washer over the screw holes. Take your screws and screw the handle in place. If you're having a difficult time fitting the screws, you may have to trim some of the foam away. After one connector is installed, you'll repeat to attach the other side of the handle with the remaining connector. If you use this hardware in a project, be sure to share pictures on social media with #SallieTomato. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiration and tutorials. See you next time!